Okay, so for this one, pattern 1 has 1 square, pattern 2 has 2 squares, pattern 3 has 3 black squares, so we're expecting pattern 4 to have 4 black squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we've got crosses around the outside. How many squares in pattern 6 would have a cross? So we could either sort of say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can see that we're going up in 1, so we're expecting 8 and 4. So in 5, we would expect 9, which means 6, we would expect 10. So I'm going to put 10 down in there. The line AB is on the grid. Write down the coordinates of B. So remember, we start at the origin. We're coming along in the X first, so 8, 1 is what we're looking for there. So we're going to go 8, 1. So just remember that's X before Y. Write down the coordinates, the midpoint. So the midpoint is the middle of line A to B. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. So I'm going to come down half of that, which is 3. 1, 2, 3. So there's my midpoint, and then the coordinate 8, 4. So we've got the midpoint is 8, 4. Okay, question 3. Jodie makes a sandwich using one type of bread and one filling. Complete the 6 possible sandwiches, so I'm expecting to get 6 different ones, and you can see that they've started off with white in the first bit, and then they've gone cheese. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work my way down like that. So I'm going to say white and cheese is already there. We've got white and ham. So we've got white ham. We've got white tuna. Then I'm going to change to going on brown bread, and I'm going to follow the same pattern. BC, BH, and BT. I know I'm completed because I've finished all 6, because it tells me in the question 6. What fraction of the possible sandwiches are cheese? Well, this one has got a cheese, and that's it. Oh, sorry, there's also the second one, the second. So we've got, what fraction do we have cheese? We've got 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 out of 6. Now you could simplify that 1/3, but you will get the marks for 2/6 because it doesn't say to simplify. Okay, here's a number machine. We've got an input, times by 3, take away 5, and it gives us the output. Work out the output when the input is 4. So if I pop 4 there, 4 times 3 is 12. 12 take away 5, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, so we end up getting 7. Work out the input when the output is 19. So this time I'm going to put 19 here, and if I'm going to go the opposite way, I've got to do the opposite of taking away 5, which is adding 5. So that'll get me up to 24. And then I've got to do the opposite of timesing by 3, which is dividing by 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So we end up getting an answer of 8. Now again, there is lines for your working. It's quite happy to put the working up on that diagram. You don't necessarily have to put it on the lines. Complete this number machine. So an input of 16 is then adding 2. Okay, so that gets me 18. And then I need to get to 3. So I've got a couple of options. I could take away 15, because 18 take away 15 is 3. I could also divide by 6. Okay, so dividing by 6, 18 divided by 6 is 3. Or I suppose I could times by 1/6. Is another way of saying the same thing. But you're going to have the operation in there. We can't just do it without the operation.